Welcome to my channel Salesforce Kicks, the ultimate destination for all things Salesforce. If you are new to the Salesforce, then my channel is dedicated to providing you with informative and engaging contents. If you are a new enthusiastic and are looking to improve your sales and customer relationship management skills, you are come to the right place. In my previous video, I have explained you regarding what is the CRM. So today we will see about what is the Salesforce CRM. So sit back and join me on this exciting journey of learning and growth with the Salesforce Kicks. So let's look into the outlines, like which topics we will going to cover in this presentation. So first is what is Salesforce, then history of Salesforce, why Salesforce is much popular nowadays, how wide Salesforce ecosystem is, where the Salesforce stand as per the CRM, and what are the advantages of Salesforce, why you need to think for Salesforce career. So this many of topics we will cover in our today's presentation. So through that way you will get to know about why the Salesforce is important. So first, man, so what is the Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM, that is a customer relationship management platform that enables businesses to manage customer data, sales operations, and marketing campaigns. In my previous video, I have explained you regarding what is the CRM, what are the different types of CRMs in the market, which helps the customers to improve their businesses. So in that category, Salesforce also play a important role as a CRM to manage the customer data and to help for their sales and marketing operations. And it provides the various features and tools businesses can use to improve customer relationship, including customer segmentation, customer data management, and customer supports. So these all things are including that management of customer data, sales, and marketing operations. So which helps to grow their business in the futures and in the current market as well. So next one is the history of Salesforce. So what is the Salesforce looks like in the history? So first is Salesforce was founded in 1999 by former Oracle executive Mark Benioff. So you can see the picture of Mark Benioff. He's look like this. So together with the Parker Harris, Dave Molioff, and Frank Domink as a Salesforce as a software as a service company. So two of the Salesforce earliest investor was Larry Ellison, the co-founder and the first CEO of Oracle, and Harley Minor, the founder of CNET. So these two people help as an investor to the Benioff and other people to start the company in 1999. Also in 2003, Salesforce held its first annual Dreamforce conference in San Francisco. So Dreamforce conference is one kind of conference they are arranging in every year to discuss about the future of the Salesforce, what the new uh, features are coming in the Salesforce. So this thing I will cover in our later videos, and I will explain you more about this in the details. In 2006, Salesforce launched Idea Exchange, a platform that allows customers to connect with the company product managers. So here, this is the platform in which we can post our questions, queries, or we can give the suggestion to the Salesforce to improve for their upcoming features or for future features. So this kind of suggestion we can give here in the Idea Exchange. Then after Salesforce think on it, and they will think whether we need to implement for more. So more and more feature what we will getting for in this platform. Salesforce think for that feature. I will explain you this in the later videos. Then in 2014, the company released Trailhead, which is a free online learning platform. So the Trailhead icon is look like this. So Trailhead is also one of the greatest platform in Salesforce to learn everything. And I will make the separate video for the Trailhead and its acronyms. So what are the jargons for the Trailheads? So and we will discuss this in the details for my later videos. Then after, Why Salesforce is too much popular nowadays, right? Because when I started my Salesforce journey, and then nowadays it is very popular. So even though if anybody is switching their career towards the Salesforce, they will think why it is so much popular nowadays. So first of all, it is a world's largest technology company like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, whatever, right? So it is stand as a competitive in the market. Then it is one of the first cloud computing company delivering its product through an internet browser, not servers that sits in the company's any room. So to use the Salesforce, we don't need to install any software in our local machine, local computer, laptop. You just need to use your laptop browser or anywhere. Whenever you are sitting anywhere in the world, you can use that Salesforce from anywhere, from any corner of the world. Then it is a market leader of CRM software, and it's dominating 20% of the market. So I will show you in the later, like it is good how it is a leader in this market as a dominating, right? So it, it has a great efficiency in the reporting, because in Salesforce it has a inbuilt sales reporting tool in which we can make the different reports and with different analysis we can make in it. So that provides a great highlight of our works in the customers and the markets. Then it has a number of tools which makes work easier and save time and money. So it has a number of automation tools included in this, like a flow and workflows. So that will makes our time easy. It makes it easy and save our time. Then it has a diverse community. The Salesforce is used by any of the community, any of the people, any of the region. So it is not bounded by any some particular community, particular people. It is included everywhere. Then it is easy to customize. So once we will go with the Salesforce tool, I will show you how it is the customization is easy, and how it is called as a point and click tool. So we can easily customize it. Then it has a app exchange tool. So app exchange, it is like in our phone we have Play Store, App Store, from where we can download our apps in our mobile and we can use it, right? So Salesforce has its own app exchange, a Play Store, which is called as a app exchange, from where you can download any third party apps into your Salesforce, which can enhance its future features, and we can use it, right? So that's why it is very helpful. Next, so how wide the Salesforce ecosystem is. So in this we can say like the Salesforce is has a three things, like the Salesforce itself, then it's a diverse community, that is the customers, and it has a multiple partners. So that means like the Salesforce has a different clouds. We can see there is a sales cloud, that is a sales and automation and management tools, then a service cloud, customer service and support solutions, marketing cloud, marketing automation and analytics, then commercial cloud, e-commerce, digital commerce solutions, then community cloud, building online communities and portals, analytic cloud, for the data analytics and business intelligence, platform and Einstein AI, which help for our machine learning capabilities and embed in the various Salesforce products. So this is a platform for developing and building the custom application and the integration. It has also a communication cloud as well, which helps for the insurance company to build their online portals. So that means Salesforce include multiple clouds to include multiple business, and which satisfy their needs to touch base with the customers and to help and grow their business in the future as well. Then it, as told you about that, it has a different customer communities. So it connect to the large communities in the world. So and it has a different partners, and anybody can be a partner for the Salesforce, which can improve their business by just taking the partnership with the Salesforce. But for that partnership they need to verify some of the steps, and they need to qualify for that. So that I will explain you the later on. So next one. So as per that report news and insights for the UK Ireland, we can see that from 2018 to 22, right now we are in 2023. It is not, the latest report is not come yet, but we can see that Salesforce ranked number one in CRM market shares for ninth consecutive years. We can see there is a large other big companies like Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, Adobe, but which is dominating all the companies and making its shares as a 22.9% in the market, and which is called as a number one in the CRM markets, right? So that's, from this report we can see like how big the Salesforce is and how popular it is nowadays, right? So from that report, so we can say next one is what are the advantages of Salesforce, right? We discuss about the what is the Salesforce and its benefits. So we can see like what are the advantages. So first is the cloud base, right? So cloud base means it doesn't require installation of softwares, which and we can access it from anywhere in the world, and good if your team is distributed. That means like you don't need to install any software in your local computer or any machine, right? And even though you are anywhere in the world in any of the corner, you don't be restricted by such kind of things. And even though if your team is distributed around the world or around the country, then also you can seamlessly work with the Salesforce and you can complete your work because it is a cloud base, so you can access anywhere. Next one is customization. So it is a very flexible for creating custom fields, objects, flows, which can use in your business. So I will explain you, I will make the separate videos for this, what is the custom field objects. But the flows is like a point and click tool in the Salesforce, which helps to create the automation. Next one is the scalability. So Salesforce is good fit for large or small businesses, and it fits everywhere, even though it has a different edition of licenses, which is based on your businesses. You can purchase that licenses. If it is a small business, you don't need to go for higher edition or anything. So based on their different needs, you can take that licenses. Next one is comprehensive CRM. So this it has tools for marketing, sales, customer services, in which integrate in a single place, and the data shared between the teams. So it is providing you that all kind of facility for all kind of your team, sales, marketing, or customer service, and you can integrate all these things in a one place in the Salesforce. So from your browser you can access everything in a single place, and even though your data are distributed, you can combine it, integrate into the Salesforce. Next is the automation. So Salesforce provides the tools like the flow workflow, which help us to make our work in the automation way. So it will reduce the human error. So we don't need to make the things manually, we don't need to create manually, but once you create your flow by using the point and click tool, you just need to sit back and just that flow will do itself your work. Next one is the data security. It offers two-factor authentication and the data encryption. So to have two-factor authentication, that means once you log in into your Salesforce platform, then after it once you activated your two-factor authentication, it doesn't allow you to directly log in into your platform unless you will need to allow it from your phone through your any of the devices. Once you allow from your second device, then and then you are able to log in into your Salesforce. So that how safe and secure the Salesforce is providing. Also it's providing the encryption, so you don't need to worry about your data in this. Next one, analytics and reportings. So it has a built-in reporting tool and which help us to make our dashboard analytics tools. And through the dashboard, you can see your business data, your customer data, what's your calls, and all those analysis you can do it through your analytic reporting tools. So Salesforce is a wonderful and tremendous, fantastic tool which help us to grow your businesses. Next, mobile accessibility. So Salesforce it has its own app for Android and iOS, and you can use it while on the go. Even though you are using any of the business, you are in any of the other businesses, you can use these apps, and You don't need to use your browser to access your business. You can just log into your mobile app and you can see all your data, and you can even insert your data through the mobile app as well. So that's how comfortable and easy in the Salesforce. So then after, it has an app exchange. As I told you earlier, app exchange is like just a play store in the Salesforce. So sales app exchange has a third party apps. uh, Even though like the people who are developing the different apps for the customers, they can deploy their apps in this app exchange. So through that way, once you install your that third party app in your Salesforce, you can integrate with that, and you can extend your Salesforce functionality by using the third party app. So that kind of integration also available in Salesforce. Or even though you can do the another external call outs for the APIs and all, those things are available in Salesforce. Then after, next is AI and machine learning. So it has a wonderful Einstein analytics, Einstein prediction builder, which helps to predict the insights and automation capabilities. So it helps to make such kind of auto reply robots in the website. As we see nowadays on the website, whenever you click on the chat, some robots are talking to you and answering your question. So that kind of robots chat, you can make it in your Salesforce as well. And next is global reach. So it supports the multiple languages and currencies, which is suitable for the all the businesses operating in the various regions. So it is not limited to any particular regions or particular languages or any currencies. You can use it anywhere in the world, whatever your currencies, whatever your language. That how is flexible. And last one is the regular updates. So Salesforce releases is update regularly every year. So once you buy that your license in Salesforce, you get all the regular updates, and your Salesforce or stay up to date and current and competitive with the market. So those are the advantages. So now, when I started my career in the Salesforce, right, then after I thought, okay, this is a good my decision. But then after, nowadays the people, I'm insisting the people why you need to think for Salesforce career, right? So first of all, it is a high demand in the job market. So once you go into the market, search for the uh, get the certification for that, then after, people recruiters will reach out to you, as it has a huge demand in the Salesforce. Because Salesforce nowadays, more and more companies are accepting the Salesforce, as it is a cloud based, so they don't need to buy any other platforms and other you need to install any software. You can easily access their clouds, and it maintains the data in the cloud. So you don't need to buy any other database, right? Next, lucrative opportunities. That means it has a good salary. So as I told you, like, it has a high demand in the market, so there are very few professionals who knows the Salesforce. But nowadays the demands is going on, and people are getting qualified for more and more Salesforce jobs. So it offering the good salaries nowadays. Next, it has a diverse career path. Inside the Salesforce, I cannot say it like the Salesforce is only one system. It is a whole ecosystem. So it has a different paths for your career. Whether you wanted to be a business analyst, whether you want to be a developer, whether to be a consultant, those are the different path. Based on that, we have a different certification programs. So once you do the continue, if you are eager to learn the new things, and if you do the continuous learning in the Salesforce, so it has a multiple certification programs in the Salesforce. Through that way, you can, based on your career path, you can choose that certification. You can get those certification, which helps you to understand your new goals, right? And it has a supportive communities. That means in one single platform you can connect with the multiple people, which can help you for your career growth. And even though while using your Salesforce, if you have any doubts, any questions, any confusions, you can use that platform, and you can come get the answer by the different people. I will make the separate video regarding what this platform call and how it is working. And so next one is the global reach. So as I told you, like Salesforce is a cloud-based system, so you don't need to sit in any particular place or any other system. But because this is a browser-based system, so you can use it anywhere in the world, and you can easily work with your data and with your business. So that's it. And next one is this job stability. So as I told you, like the more and more people are accepting the Salesforce in the market, so it has a long way to go. So it has a good and bright future for as perspective to your job stability. So you can think of this job stability. So next, so after all the discussion, if we come to the conclusion, so we can say that the career in the Salesforce can be a smart choice due to its high demand, financial rewards, diverse career paths, opportunities for continuation learning, global reach, and the job security. That's why it's like a good decision to be in the Salesforce and to learn new things. It's a field that can be both financially rewarding, personally fulfilling for those who are passionate about the CRM and the technology. Right. So this is the conclusion about our presentation. So then this is the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and the comment to this video. If you need to clarify anything, if you have any questions, you can just comment it out, and I'm happy to answer your question. So that's it for today. See you in the next